Hi, welcome to this first Zetamix tutorial video. Firstly, I will explain how Zetamix works and the advantages of the technology. In the next videos, I will explain step by step how to produce the parts, ceramic or metal, thanks to Zetamix. "3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of a three-dimensional object with material added layer by layer. Here we will focus on fused filament fabrication, mostly represented by Zetamix 3D printing. Our technology had a lot of pros. For example, we have a good compatibility with a lot of material. Our filaments have a low toxicity. We can print out hollow parts as well as close properties. You may wonder, how does Zetamix work? You can have up to 99% dense ceramic with our post process. For those filaments, you have 4 steps: the file preparation, the printing, the debinding, and the sintering. At the end, you can also polish the parts to have a better surface quality. For those filaments, it's much easier. We don't have any debinding process. Okay, now that we saw the different steps, we're going to print a part. But first, we have to prepare the file. I'm going to use Idea Maker to slice the ring. I'm going to use a selected template that we have at Nanoe. And we can have a preview of the ring at the end that will show that it is printed layer by layer. Okay, now that the file is ready, we can print our part. Zetamix is an open system, so you can print the parts on any printer, but we highly recommend Res 3D for our filaments. Okay, so now that the part is printed, we're going to chemically debind it in acetone at 30 degrees. Okay, for the last step, we're going to sinter our part now. You need to push the crucible at the center of the oven. Then don't forget to put the shield. And you can now set the temperature. Okay, the last step is finished. The part is sintered. We have a Zeta ring in black zirconia. Thank you for watching.